WUSA 9's first alert weather, rated DC's most accurate forecast.
You know, this cold start to January, one for the record books, coldest start to January in 100 years, coldest 13-day stretch ever at Canaan Valley since they've been keeping records. And this morning we had record cold. The records to beat were 1 at Dulles, 5 in D.C., and 3 in Baltimore. It actually got to 1 below at Dulles, only 8 at National, so no record in Washington, but a new record in Baltimore. And those records, by the way, in Baltimore and Dulles were set just a few years ago, 4 years ago in 2014. Tomorrow, though, we've got cold air in place, some moisture moving in the form of some spotty light rain and freezing rain, so we could get a little glaze. Winter weather advisories are up. Metro 3 to 9. Very cold surfaces, so even if we see temperatures rise to the mid-30s, we could still get some icing to occur. 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. on that winter weather advisory, Winchester, Hagerstown, Frederick region, but we certainly will be watching that. Southern Maryland, you're going to be a little milder, so we're not expecting the icing down there. So with that, we've got a yellow weather alert. I think the morning commute won't have any issues because this is going to be a little bit later, more likely an afternoon event. So the afternoon commute, moderate to high impact, as we're looking at mainly wet roads. The main roads should have a low impact because they've got a lot of residual salt. The road crews will be out there. But untreated surfaces, secondary roads, driveways, sidewalks, that's where we could get the slick spots, you know, a stairway somewhere. So just got to take a little bit of caution tomorrow afternoon as we're going to start very cold in the low 20s in town, mid-teens in the cold spots. We'll be pushing freezing by 32 with highs in the mid-30s, perhaps some upper 30s down toward Fredericksburg and southern Maryland, with the better chance of the light rain showers later on afternoon into the early evening hours. Here's the big picture. We've got storm system developing here in the Mississippi Valley. The Arctic gears up across New England now, and you can see all the rain across Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, moving into Missouri, and then in the cold air in Illinois and Indiana, now we've got freezing rain and snow and some sleet, and that's the battle going on. Warm air coming on top of the cold air, and this is what we're looking at on the Futurecast, where tonight, quiet. Tomorrow morning starts out okay. We may even see a little sun early. Look at the snow, though, by 8 o'clock in Pittsburgh, Columbus, up toward Erie and Buffalo. As we head toward 12:30, now we're looking at a little bit of that light precip north and west of town. And as we get into the afternoon, pockets of light rain showers, spotty freezing rain, maybe a few flakes well north and into the mountains. 7:30, I-95 east still with some showers. West, we're drying out. And by 1 o'clock Tuesday morning, we're drying out there. And we've got warmer days ahead. We'll be near 50 by Tuesday. How much ice? Well, the RPM, one of the more aggressive models, yeah, and it's not even showing that much, right? 100th in D.C., 500ths up in Frederick. So a light glaze, not an ice storm, but it doesn't take a lot of ice. You know, a little bit of ice goes a very long way. Teens tonight, cold but not as cold. South winds at 5 for Monday morning. We may see some spotty showers and light freezing rain late morning as especially north and west. Upper teens to even some low to mid 30s down south. In the afternoon, the yellow weather alert. Pockets of rain and freezing rain, mid to upper 30s. Wind south-southwest at 10 miles an hour. Tuesday looks great compared to where we've been, 49. Straight shower Wednesday, more clouds, 45. Even warmer Thursday and Friday. Friday near 60 with some showers, maybe even a thunderstorm. Spotty showers Saturday before some colder air starts to move in Sunday with maybe a few flurries. Highs on Sunday back in the 30s.